Hello, today I'm in AUDI SQ5. In this video I'll show you how to manage automatic transmission. In the beginning, take a look in the center of the car. Right here we've got the automatic transmission knob. Press brake and push it upwards with button located on the side to select neutral mode from parking. Again, to select reverse. Push it downwards to select drive, sport, and push it right to manually change gears. You can change manually gears by paddles behind steering wheel. Here is to lower and here is to rise gear. To select park, press P button on the Gearbox shifter. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.